Alright, this is Mr. T. I'm going to today show you how to graph an absolute value function and a piecewise function. Alright, and I'm doing this for my Algebra 1 students for preparation for their Chapter 9 test tomorrow. Alright, so the first function we have up top is f of x equals the absolute value of x plus 2 plus 3. So we all know that the graph is going to look like a V. Alright, and whatever is inside the absolute value, when you set that equal to 0, that's going to be your axis of symmetry. Alright, so when we set this equal to 0, subtract 2 on both sides, you get x equals negative 2. So I know my axis of symmetry for this absolute value function is going to be at x equals negative 2. So if you want, you just draw a dotted line. Alright, however you want to do that. Alright. And when I plug negative 2 back into the function, I'm at positive 3. Alright, so I know the vertex of this is going to be negative 2, 3. Alright, or you could have just known that this is a translation 3 units up. So I know I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And this is going to be my vertex. Alright, and then from there we have a slope of 1, so we can just go over 1, up 1. Alright, on both sides, and it's just mirror images. Alright, so this is your graph. Alright, it's that easy. Alright, and then when we go down to this piecewise function, we have f of x equals, we have 2x plus 1 if x is less than negative 2. Alright, and then negative 3x minus 1 if x is greater than or equal to negative 2. So first I'm going to graph the line 2x plus 1 when x is less than negative 2. So I have my restriction on negative 2, which is right here. Alright, so again, if you want to draw a faded dotted line or whatever to help you out, that's fine. So I want to graph the line 2x plus 1 all less than x is negative 2. Alright, so our line 2x plus 1 would have a y-intercept of 1. Alright, but we don't want to go this way. We don't want to go over 1 and up 2 because we want what's on the left of this line. So we have our y-intercept at 1, over 1, down 2, over 1, down 2. So I know I'm going to have a point right here, alright, but since it's strictly less than, it's going to be an open circle. Alright, I'm just going to continue the same slope, so over 1, down 2, over 1, down 2, and that's one of the parts of my piecewise function is right there with an open circle at x equals negative 2. Alright, and then we have negative 3x minus 1. So now I am, my restriction is x is greater than or equal to negative 2. Alright, so now I'm going to have a closed circle on this line somewhere, but I have to figure that out. So if I go to negative 1, alright, actually what I could do is I could take negative 2 and plug it in here. So negative 3 times negative 2 minus 1 is going to be 6, minus 1 is 5. Alright, so when I plug in negative 2, I get 5. So I'm going to go up to 5, negative 2, 5. I'm going to put a closed circle. Alright, and then I just have my slope of negative 3. So over 1, down 3, over 1, down 3. What do you know? I have my y-intercept right there. I just draw my line. Alright, so there's my piecewise function. That is how to graph a piecewise function and an absolute value function.